Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Dreame D20 Plus. A restart is different from a reset. A restart is going to be a simple power cycle, turning it off and back on. So if you're interested in the D20 Plus or want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. On the top of our device, currently we have our D20 powered on. So to restart this device, on the left-hand side we have our power button here. You're going to press and hold that for a couple of seconds. We can let go when we hear the music. You can watch the lights change. The lights just went off. We'll give it a couple of seconds, but the unit has just shut down. And now will be time to turn it back on. So same button on the left-hand side. You're going to press and hold that for a couple of seconds here. The light just came on. You can let go. The lights are blinking. We have the startup music. Lights are still blinking, lights are solid, and everything's back online, powered on, and ready to go.